Welcome to the Graceful Grammar Higher Secondary School Digital Class Level 3 Oxford Discover English Day 4. Student Learning Outcome. After taking this class, students will be able to understand the meaning of the word according to their context. Dear students, put your thinking cap on. Dear students, read these sentences carefully and observe the meaning of this word. The first sentence is, the doctor treated the patient at hospital. Miss Sophia is kind and patient teacher. So, you observed in first sentence, patient means a person who is under medical care. But in second sentence, patient means a person who bears pains or trials calmly without complaining. So this is a good example of contextual meaning. So now this question raises what contextual meaning is. The definition of contextual is depending on the context or surrounding words, phrases, or paragraphs of the writing. An example of contextual is how the word read can have two different meanings depending upon what words are around it. When read is used in past or perfect tense, it is pronounced read with same spelling, and when it is using in present, it is pronounced as read. Dear students, open your Oxford Discover English student book. Dear students, open your book on page number 17. Look at exercise E, words in context. Scan the story on page number 18 and 19 and circle these words. As you read, try to guess these mean. Boa constrictor, toss, landing, balance. Let's discuss the meaning of these words. The first word is boa constrictor, noun, a snake, constricted boa constrictor, a tropical America, noted for its large size and its ability to suffocate a prey by coiling around it. Any large scale of the boa family. Second word is toss, throw something somewhere lightly or casually. Third word is landing, an act or process of one that lands especially, or going or bringing to a surface. Number 4, balance, an even distribution of weight enabling someone or something to remain upright and steady. Put something in a steady position so that it doesn't fall. Dear students, open your book on page number 20. Look at exercise C, words in context. Write the correct answer. A boa constrictor is a person, snake or bird. So you know the answer of this snake. Number 2, when you toss a ball, you dash, roll it, hold it, throw it. So it's quite simple, throw it. Number 3, after you jump up, you must land on the water, the ground, the ball. So the answer is the ground. When you keep your balance, you usually stand straight, fall down, lie down. So when you keep a balance, so its right answer is stand straight. Exercise F. Why are games often more fun when you play with other people? The answer of this question is, games are often more fun when we play with other people because when we win, this is a great moment of happiness. We win after defeating somebody. And the other reason is together we share and celebrate victory. Games also create sense of competence. My dear students, now open your Oxford Discover workbook. Dear students, open your workbook on page number 13. Look at exercise C, words in context, match, boa constrictor. So as you can see in the picture, a large snake that kills animals by squeezing them. Number 2, toss, to throw something quickly and in a gentle way. Number 3, landing, coming down to the ground from the air. Balance, to keep steady and not fall over. Dear students, let's move towards home task. Open your student book on page number 17 and solve exercise E, words context, and F in your notebook. Solve exercise C on page number 20 in your student book. Then solve exercise C on page number 13 in your workbook. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully it is very helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching this video.